We are biologically wired to avoid pain. We want the easiest route, the warmest bed, and the least amount of resistance. But in the modern world, this biological trait has become a weakness. When you constantly choose comfort, you are not protecting yourself. You are stagnating. You are training your brain to retreat whenever things get difficult. If you want to be elite, you have to do the exact opposite. You have to learn to embrace discomfort. Discomfort is the alarm bell that tells you that you are finally stepping outside of your current limitations. When you're in the gym and your muscles are burning and your mind is telling you to drop the weight, that is the moment where growth actually happens. When you are in a business meeting and you are under immense pressure to perform, that is the moment your capacity expands. But most people stop at the first sign of that feeling. They think it's a warning, so they back down. You need to reframe your perspective. Pain is not a warning. It is a signal. It is a signal that you are forcing your body and your mind to adapt. The people who are at the top of their game are not there because they had an easy life. They are there because they were willing to endure more discomfort than everyone else. They seek out the hard tasks. They take the cold showers. They wake up when it's still dark. And they take on the challenges that everyone else is too afraid to touch. When you intentionally introduce discomfort into your life, you are building a reservoir of resilience. You are teaching your nervous system that it can handle intensity. And when the real crises of life come, and they will, you will not break. You will be calm, you will be capable, and you will be ready. Stop running from the heat. Start walking into it. I am Keto Wolf. Stay resilient.